Honorable Agyapong, Honorable, the one who so far, and Pérsuasion MPP,
that we've won it. We've won the election. Presidential, we've won. Yes. Even the parliamentary, the way they were talking, we didn't lose that one, although we lost some seats, more than what we gained. But we still, our lead is not a comfortable lead. It's a real one.
Yes, sir. And this is for so guys almost one winning election.
My brother, you know, I said this a month ago that this is their game plan. That if you can take the recordings from Net2, you see that I have their strategic plan, and they stated it clearly what is happening, that they will declare their own results and tell their people to go on the street to demonstrate that they've won. If the EC comes out with anything, then they will start causing violence and take the matter to court. So I'm not surprised at what is happening. I know their game plan, but they've lost the election. Just that we are in government. So we have to make sure we allow the EC to work. Our system is faster and better than theirs, because when you key in, you input it from the polling station in my constituency, it comes to the region and national, and they do the collation. It is not even electoral area, it's polling station by polling station. So we know. What makes me comfortable is that we are in charge of Central Region. We've lost parliamentary seats, but every parliamentary seat that we lost, the president won. So as for the presidential, it's a done deal. Yeah.
And say obika pe wo de wa record and na obetumi agina so aka say mo winia. Then it is also right say NDC almost do o record o to be ka so mo winia.
How can it be right? How can it be right if I say I have 53.4? Can you also say that we have 51.4? Is it not more than 100? How possible? You see, let's do things genuinely and peacefully. We need peace in this country. But a situation where one political party feels he controls violence. Look, on my way from Fosu, I've seen NDC guys moving to EC with their motorbikes here and there. It doesn't help this country. It doesn't. And you know that what we are saying is not the truth. Let me give you one typical example. When you go to Ofosu Kwache's Facebook, he himself has congratulated Elvis. But during their press conference, they said Ofosu Kwache has won. So where's the element of truth in what they are saying? Even people call me from US saying that, you know, that you've lost. It's Asin North, not Agyapong. You see how they go about things to create confusion. So everybody should relax. I hear the EC has postponed the time. We still have the patience to wait because we know we've won. But we want to prove to them that we are decent. We will not jump the gun to go and declare ourselves that we are the winners until she does so. So we are waiting patiently for and check all of you yourself, you know that we've won, but the rules are that you cannot declare. So I don't have a problem with you. Nobody should say anything until the EC comes out. But as for jubilation, I'll tell my people to jubilate because we've won. And ours is not like theirs that is we are in a comfortable lead.
And it's electoral commission Bible and say figures or the better is quite different from what they are now. I'll be surprised.
I'll be surprised because our figures are accurate. It's certified. Besides the electronic transmission by ourselves from the collation center in our constituencies, we also have the pink sheet. We certify the results with a pink sheet, which have been signed by both. So how can the EC change it? So we are waiting patiently.
It is a company say Obi Ewo Ekroimo being NDC and IMPP. Abonadwimu say after the declaration.
Well, I'm asking him to stop. Whether you are MPP or NDC, this country belongs to all of us. We need peace. We want to live in peace. Okay? We want to live in peace. But if persuasion fails, force will be applied. You know, I was gentle in my constituency till the last minute when they were trying to get ballot boxes, and I dealt with them mercilessly. They think they are the only people who think they are smart. They were right. I can show you videos. I don't play no games. I come in with peace. But if you try and abuse my rights, I'll defend myself. A guy had this, the traditional bansiri or whatever, we beat the shit out of him, and he forgot that he has all these bansiri. Pull a gun, we chase them, they run away. That's the language they understand. But my people don't get it. We are for peace, but let them try the violence, we'll meet them squarely.
Yo. Too much GH near Ghana for Asher for Etie for Onipa bi a won subscribe too much GH no subscribe or na ehintasem ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God in ye the only one God in GH eho ana de bia mehwe abroche for any Ghana for mo mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
Too much GH. We did Agyapong. A prepare and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you. Too much GH. We did Agyapong. A prepare and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you.
Me did the Agyapong, but me a family the great tampon. Bring. One man come when you too much GH. Too much GH. More too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH. And you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is F𝒊ght One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.